Do you suffer from endless stacks of job applications, or are you still working with an outdated applicant tracking system? HR managers have two options for their job application workflows: without airSlate and with airSlate. Without airSlate, HR managers spend hours setting up manual data routing or constantly checking if job applicant forms are completed. Without airSlate, these HR managers always end up with the information stored in different places, inaccuracies, and missed data. But with airSlate, HR managers can automate their workflow processes by creating a flow template and adding the job application form, visualizing the process with steps, adding no-code automation bots, and distributing the documents with the job applicant. With airSlate, the process for the job applicant is even easier. Job applicants just copy and paste a link into their browser's search bar and start completing the form. With airSlate, the form is renamed with the job applicant's name. The data from the form is transferred to the Google spreadsheet, and the HR manager is notified that the job application form is completed. Looking at the side-by-side, the choice is clear for everyone. All job application workflows are better with airSlate. Get started now at airslate.com.